Good morning, ladies and gents. Okay, so taking up the work from page 346, well, the actual homework you'd find on 348 and 349. First one I asked you to take a look at was 3. So again, I've given you a snapshot of showing you A and C. And the reason I chose those was in A, they've given you the lengths for A and B, and in C, they gave you the lengths for A and C. And this is just like we did in the homework from the previous day. So two short sides of the triangle, 7 and 24. We square those. We get 49 and 576. Add them together, gives us 625, and that's C squared. And then to get C, we do the opposite of squaring. We square root both sides, and we get that C is 25 centimeters long. For C, as I said before, they've given us A and C. Okay, so we're trying to find B. So we square 13, we square 16. We don't want 169 on this side with B, so we're going to subtract it away, so that's 0. And of course, what we do to one side of an algebraic equation, we do to the other. 256 minus 169 is 87, and we are just left with B squared on this side. Square root B squared, so we get B, square root 87, and you get 9.3. Okay, number 4. Hopefully you noticed that the diagram for number 4 was just off to the left in the textbook, and they actually show you a building with a house and a nice brick house here, some lovely grass here, and then there's the ladder. Okay, so it said it's 3 meters away from the house, sitting on the ground. They told you it's a 5-meter ladder, and they want to know how high up the wall it reaches. So, side A, we're missing side B, and this would be side C because that's the long side, and the 90-degree angle would be right here. Okay, so there's the formula. Fill in side A, fill in side C. 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. We don't want 9 with B squared, so we're going to subtract it away, subtract from both sides, just like in the last question we did. We're left with B squared is equal to 16. Well, we don't want B squared, we just want B, so opposite operation, square root, and we're left with 4. Okay, number 5 said Brandon constructed a right angle triangle with sides 10 centimeters and 24 centimeters, and they want to know what the third side is. And they said, why are there 2 answers? Well, it's because of where you fill it in. Side A and B could be 10 and 24, or side C could be 24, the long edge, and then we're missing side B. So it just depends where you slot it in. These are both right answers. So we'll go with 10 and 24 being the 2 short sides. 10 times 10 is 100, 24 times 24 is 576. Add them together, you get 676. Square root both sides. Side C would be 26. For this one, same numbers. 10 squared would be 100. 24 squared would be 576. We don't want 100 with B squared, so we're going to subtract it away. Subtract it from here as well. You're left with 476 for B squared. Square root it, 21.8. Okay? Any questions, please message me.